Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Sourav. I am Sourav Dutta and today in this video I am going to show you how to fix Lenovo ThinkPad laptop stuck at boot menu. Whenever I start the laptop, the same problem keeps showing up. Even when I go to the boot menu and enter the Windows Boot Manager, the same problem occurs. The laptop does not boot. Another thing you can do is turn off the laptop by pressing the power button and then you turn on the laptop again to see if the problem is showing or not. I am having the same problem. If the same problem again, restart the laptop in the situation. How to restart the Alt plus Control plus Delete button. To go to the BIOS setup, immediately after restarting, press the F1 key on the keyboard to go to the BIOS settings. After entering the BIOS setup, go to the startup menu bar, then go to the UEFI and legacy boot mode option and select the UEFI only option. After selecting the UEFI only, go back to the security bar option and then select secure boot. After selecting, make sure the secure boot option is enabled. If it is enabled, that's great. If not, then definitely enable it. Save the BIOS setting after enable secure boot option. Then press F10 to save the BIOS setting. After saving the BIOS settings, the laptop will restart and hopefully the problem will not show up again. After doing this thing, turn on the laptop. I hope the Lenovo laptop will start without any problem. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you have any doubt related to this, let us know in the comment box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.